Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online presence shine. Today's video is all about how to delete photos on Google My Business in 2025. If you're managing a business profile, you know how important it is to keep your visuals fresh and relevant. Maybe you've uploaded a photo by mistake, or it's just time for an update. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This is super straightforward, but let's dive in so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to business.google.com and select your business profile from the dashboard. It's that simple. Google's interface is designed for ease, especially in 2025 with their updated, user-friendly layout. Once you're in your profile, navigate to the Photos section. You'll see all the images you've uploaded, along with any customer contributions. To delete a photo, click on the one you want to remove. A menu will pop up with options. Look for the Delete or Remove button. Go ahead and select it, but don't worry, Google will ask for confirmation to prevent any accidental slips. After you confirm, the photo will be deleted from your profile. Remember, if it's a photo added by customers, you might have different permissions, so double-check that. One quick tip. Always review your photos regularly to maintain a professional look, as this can boost your search rankings and customer trust. And just like that, you're all set. By keeping your Google My Business photos up to date, you're one step closer to a polished online reputation. If you run into any issues, Google's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.